This episode of Love Lauren is sponsored by SB Fabrication Parts.
It's time to get this little idler sprocket in place. Not original to the machines. The solid decks were originally provided with a little plastic wheel, which was bolted onto plates similar to this, I believe, from memory. But the wheel was fixed; it didn't rotate. There's no bearing or anything like that. So the chain is basically a chain tensioner, and it would ride. The chain would ride over that plastic surface. As it became worn, loosen off the bolt, spin the wheel around a little bit, tighten it back up and carry on. The twin rails are a little bit different in that sense. They've got the little sort of black moon-shaped chain tensioner made of plastic, which sort of slides up and down on a little, there's a plate that sort of comes through the backside and allows you to adjust the tension on that cutter chain. With the solid deck machines, we've got this little post that fits through like that, which forms part of the one of the mounting points for the chain case cover. So that bolts on with that bolt there. This little idler is available from George's Bonnar as an upgrade. This little bracket was originally on here like this, sort of with the U shape facing towards the sprockets, because it looks like the chain has been dragging on that surface and wearing it away through many years of use. So I'm going to reinstall it how it was. There's a little square section to the bolt there which fits through the square section on this chain adjuster. So I'm not sure exactly how it is made to align, but I'm going to start, I think, like so. And I guess you adjust your tension by rotating that up and down. I've got a split washer that goes on the back side here,